Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get free Telegram subscribers. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you noticed at first we had only 32 subscribers on our Telegram channel, now copy your channel link and go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for Boostgram's Telegram. Select the first website. As soon as you see in progress already sending, kindly exit and wait some minutes for the subscribers to come.
20 minutes later.
If you noticed, we now have 57 subscribers on our Telegram channel. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.